Hey guys, it's Elle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a great hairstyle to share with you. Of course, as you can see here, it is on the shorter length, but it's definitely perfect for warmer seasons or if you really love short hair. So I'm excited to share with you exactly how I created this style, what type of hair I'm using, and a special technique. But before we jump right into the video, make sure you're subscribed. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and make sure that you go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. And last but not least, give this video a thumbs up if you're really enjoying this content. Let's jump straight into the video. Alright guys, first things first, let's start off with the hair that we're going to be using for today's short passion twist. This is the hair. It is from Eliyer, which you can find them online at Amazon. Of course, I will link them down below in the description box, so if you like to purchase some hair as well, you can do so. But this hair is 18 inches. I got it in the color 1B. There are 22 strands of hair in each individual bundle, and it comes with 7 of these. This is what all 7 bundles look like, so that is quite a bit of hair. Now, I do have it on a hanger because I always pre-wash any hair before I install it, and my wash method is a combination of apple cider vinegar and lukewarm water. I'll go ahead and link up in the info cards more information on how exactly I do that, so you can follow through with that process as well. But the hair did not come to me with any smell. I just always like to make sure I wash it just in case there's any residue on there. And after washing it, nothing came to the top, no film or anything, so we definitely should be good to go. Now this hair does come pre-curled, as you can see, so this should make our process of twisting a lot easier. I'm excited to see how everything turns out. Alright guys, so I have sectioned off the back portion of my hair, and basically what I'm doing here is braiding a small portion and then twisting the rest. So let me give you a view here. So we've got a couple rows here, 3 down in the bottom, and then I tried to make them kind of fall so that there was not a straight part down the center of my head. So now that these are complete, I'm going to create that same pattern going back on the front of my head, making sure that I have a part here right on my right, which is where I typically would wear my part, so it'll fall that way when I'm wearing it down, and then you can do whatever you want to do when you wear it half up, half down, or all up. I'm going in with the end of my rat tail comb, trying to make my parts as clean as possible. I've made this part here for the side part, as I told you earlier. And now we're going to go in and make some 1x1 squares. We're going for a chunkier look here, so we want to make sure it's a decent size. For products, I'm going to use both Jam and Murray's Edge Wax, a combination of the two. I'm going to apply my product to the perimeter of this box and make sure to smooth it in with my edge brush, and then I'm going to do a 3-strand braid for a couple of rotations and twist all the way down to the end. Don't worry, I'm going to get a little bit closer and slow it down for you soon. So I'm making another part here, product around the perimeter, edge brush to smooth everything out, separate the hair into 3 sections, braid for a couple of rotations, then twist all the way down to the end. So here we are closer. I'm adding some product to the perimeter of this section. Smooth it in on all sides. And I'm going to go in with my edge brush to make sure everything's good to go and separate this section into 3 pieces. Braid for a couple of rotations, split the middle, and twist all the way down to the end. Repeating this technique on the opposite side as well. Product already applied, so I'm going to separate my hair into 3 sections. Create a braid at the base with a couple of rotations, not too loose, not too tight. And then I split the center into 2 and 2-strand twist all the way down to the end. And I was just showing you that it's very easy to move up and down, which would be great for our styles. This is what it looks like when everything is parted and braided / twist. And this is going to make installation quick and easy once you get started. I'll be using 3 strands of hair to create this fluffy short passion twist look. I will be cutting the hair in half to get the shorter look, but right now I am just running my fingers through the hair to fluff it out so that it can be as full as possible once installed. As I mentioned earlier, I have cut the hair in half and we will be installing it folded just like this. A crochet hook is going to help this process be quick and easy for installation. And I'm going to start here on the back and then putting the rest of my hair up. Now I will give you a closer up close view as I get to the front of my head, but this is a great example of how to install the hair in the back if you were doing this installation on yourself. So I'm sliding the needle under my roots and then I'm hooking the hair onto the latch hook, pulling the hair all the way through, equal on both sides. Then I'm going to untwist my real hair and add it to the left and the right of the passion twist hair, and then 2 strand twists all the way down, merging my real hair with the faux hair. To make sure our twist does not unravel, I'm using a basic black rubber band to secure the end. This is right below my real hair. I want to make sure that my real hair is completely twisted and away before I get to working on the end. And for that blunt cut, we're just going to use some scissors. Let me show you one more time exactly how to end our twist. So we have our hair twisted and I am adding a basic black rubber band to the end, wrapping it around. You want it fairly tight so it doesn't fall off, but not too super tight. These rubber bands are notoriously cheap and they do pop all the time, so you don't want to put too much tension on it before you even get a chance to wear your style. So once you've got your rubber band secured, we're just going to take a pair of scissors and cut the end straight across. Alright guys, I have finished one of the bundles of hair. It only has 1 strand left, but I wanted to show you how much of my hair I was able to complete with the twist. So that's a good amount. I feel like it is just about almost at the halfway mark. So I'm going to go into another one of the bundles that was included in the pack and keep on moving to the front of my head. Here's the close-up installation I promised you. I have cut the hair in half with 3 strands. I'm fluffing it out, kind of starting at the ends of each piece of the hair so that it can ensure that we have a full and fluffy twist. And now we're sliding our crochet hook under the base of our braided twist, hooking the hair onto the crochet hook, closing the latch, sliding the hair under the base of our real hair, finding the end of the loop so that you can pull one side of the passion twist hair all the way through. And you want to make sure that during this process that everything is nice and smooth and neat. You should be able to pull through easily just like this. Let's run that back one more time. Slide the crochet hook under the base of your braid, hook the crochet hair onto the hook, close the latch, slide the faux hair under your real braided hair, find the loop of the hair and pull one side all the way through, ensuring that everything is free flowing and sliding from left to right. Now once you've done that, you're going to make sure that the hair is longer than your real hair. Untwist your real hair, stopping right before the braid. And then you're going to then merge your real hair with the passion twist hair. So we got 2 pieces there and I'm adding it to the passion twist hair on the left and right, 2 strand twisting all the way down to the end, adding our rubber band to secure it, and then we're going to cut off the end to make sure that it is a blunt cut for the look. And that's it, easy peasy. You continue this process all over your head. All right, guys, I have finished the style. I'm gonna give you a quick spin around. Super lightweight. I love how thick and fluffy they turned out. This is just like a perfect length. So I'm definitely gonna go into some different styles for you guys, but before I get there, I wanted to share with you how much hair I actually used. So as you know, it came with 7 packs of hair. Each pack of hair had 21 strands in it. So I used 2.5. This is how much is left of the 3rd pack. So with me going with this length, which I just made sure I went a little bit beyond my actual hair, I mean, I'll be able to get 2 whole styles out of the 7 packs that were provided. So that's a really good value, and I think it looks super cute. So let's hop into doing some various styles. I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle just as much as I did. I think this is probably one of my favorite protective styles that I've done thus far. So I hope you guys try it out. If you do, make sure you tag me in all of your posts on social media. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you guys in my very next video.